6 small engines. So this Toro Workman truck was brought to me. There was problems selecting the gearing. Now, on these older Workmans, it is a common issue. There's about 8 Phillips heads that need removing from that shrouding over the gearing, and then all you've got to do is bollock it with grease. Look at that now. Lovely jubbly, take care, Giraffe now.